Are you a vegetarian struggling to find tasty keto-friendly recipes that don't involve meat? You're in luck. In this video, we've curated the top 5 delicious and easy-to-make vegetarian keto recipes that will help you stay on track with your diet while satisfying your taste buds. Get ready to explore a whole new world of veggie-based, low-carb meals that will leave you feeling full and satisfied. First, I list out recipes. Later part will explain preparation. Welcome to Vegicatives. This is the official YouTube channel of www.vegicatives.com. We believe that awareness is everything, and our goal is to promote it. Top 5 Veg Keto Recipes. Keto Cauliflower Fried Rice. A delicious low-carb alternative to traditional fried rice, made with cauliflower rice, mixed vegetables, tofu, and eggs. Keto Zucchini Noodles with Avocado Sauce. A tasty pasta substitute made with spiralized zucchini noodles and a creamy avocado sauce, topped with cherry tomatoes and fresh basil. Keto Broccoli and Cheese Stuffed Portobello Mushrooms. A flavorful and filling vegetarian dish made by stuffing portobello mushrooms with a mixture of broccoli, cheese, and spices. Keto Spinach and Feta Stuffed Bell Peppers. A colorful and nutritious meal made with roasted bell peppers stuffed with a mixture of spinach, feta cheese, and herbs. Creamy Coconut Curry with Tofu and Vegetables. A creamy and spicy coconut curry made with tofu and mixed vegetables, served over cauliflower rice for a satisfying, low-carb meal. Now I will explain in detail the preparation of each recipe. Keto Cauliflower Fried Rice. How to prepare, required ingredients and detailed preparation. Ingredients: 1 head cauliflower, grated or chopped into small pieces. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 small onion, diced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1/2 cup frozen peas and carrots. 2 eggs, lightly beaten. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Start by grating the cauliflower into small pieces using a food processor or a cheese grater. Alternatively, you can chop it into small pieces with a sharp knife. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat and add the vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add the diced onion and minced garlic, and sauté for a couple of minutes until fragrant. Add the frozen peas and carrots and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until they start to soften. Push the vegetables to the side of the pan and add the beaten eggs. Scramble the eggs until cooked through and then mix them with the vegetables. Add the grated cauliflower to the pan and stir everything together. Drizzle the soy sauce and sesame oil over the cauliflower mixture and stir to coat evenly. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the cauliflower is cooked through but still slightly crispy. Taste the cauliflower fried rice and add salt and pepper as needed. Serve hot, garnished with sliced scallions and chopped peanuts, if desired. Keto Zucchini Noodles with Avocado Sauce. How to prepare, required ingredients and detailed preparation. Ingredients: 3 medium-sized zucchini, spiralized. 1 avocado, pitted and peeled. 1 clove garlic, minced. 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Optional: cherry tomatoes, grated Parmesan cheese. Instructions. Begin by spiralizing the zucchini into noodles using a spiralizer or a vegetable peeler. Set aside. In a blender or food processor, combine the avocado, garlic, basil, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Blend until smooth and creamy. In a large pan, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add the zucchini noodles and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until they are tender but still slightly firm. Pour the avocado sauce over the zucchini noodles and toss to coat evenly. Cook for another minute or 2 until the sauce is heated through. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Optional. Garnish with cherry tomatoes and grated Parmesan cheese. Serve immediately and enjoy. Note: you can also add other vegetables like sliced mushrooms, bell peppers, or chopped onions to the pan and sauté them with the zucchini noodles for a more filling meal. Keto Broccoli and Cheese Stuffed Portobello Mushrooms. How to prepare, required ingredients and detailed preparation. Ingredients: 4 large portobello mushrooms, stems removed. 2 cups broccoli florets, chopped. 1/2 cup diced onion. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Clean the portobello mushrooms by wiping them with a damp paper towel. Remove the stems and use a spoon to scrape out the gills. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the diced onion and garlic and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Add the chopped broccoli florets to the pan and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender but still slightly crisp. Remove the skillet from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Add the shredded cheddar cheese to the broccoli mixture and stir to combine. Season the broccoli mixture with salt and pepper to taste. Stuff the portobello mushrooms with the broccoli and cheese mixture, dividing it evenly among the mushrooms. Sprinkle the grated Parmesan cheese over the top of the stuffed mushrooms. Place the stuffed mushrooms on a baking sheet and bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes, until the cheese is melted and the mushrooms are tender. Remove from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious broccoli and cheese stuffed portobello mushrooms. Note: you can also add other vegetables or cooked ground meat to the broccoli and cheese mixture to make it more filling. Keto spinach and feta stuffed bell peppers. How to prepare, required ingredients and detailed preparation. Ingredients: 4 large bell peppers, tops removed and seeds removed. 2 cups fresh spinach, chopped. 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese. 1/4 cup diced onion. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the diced onion and garlic and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant. Add the chopped spinach to the pan and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until wilted. Remove the skillet from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Add the crumbled feta cheese and chopped parsley to the spinach mixture and stir to combine. Season the spinach mixture with salt and pepper to taste. Stuff the bell peppers with the spinach and feta mixture, dividing it evenly among the peppers. Place the stuffed peppers in a baking dish and cover with foil. Bake in the preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes, or until the peppers are tender and the filling is heated through. Remove the foil from the baking dish and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, until the tops of the peppers are slightly browned and crispy. Remove from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious spinach and feta stuffed bell peppers. Note: you can also add cooked rice or quinoa to the spinach and feta mixture to make it more filling. Keto creamy coconut curry with tofu and vegetables. How to prepare, required ingredients and detailed preparation. Ingredients: 1 block firm tofu, cubed. 2 tablespoons coconut oil. 1 onion, chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons curry powder. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional. 1 can, 14 ounces, coconut milk. 1 cup vegetable broth. 2 cups mixed vegetables, such as bell peppers, carrots, snow peas, and broccoli. Salt and pepper to taste. Chopped fresh cilantro for garnish. Cooked rice for serving. Instructions. Heat the coconut oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the cubed tofu to the skillet and sauté until lightly browned on all sides, about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from the skillet and set aside. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic to the skillet and sauté until softened, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the curry powder, ground cumin, ground coriander, turmeric, paprika, and cayenne pepper, if using, to the skillet and stir to combine. Add the coconut milk and vegetable broth to the skillet and stir until well combined. Add the mixed vegetables to the skillet and stir to combine. Cover the skillet and let the vegetables simmer in the curry sauce for 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are tender. Add the sautéed tofu back to the skillet and stir to combine. Season the curry with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the curry over cooked rice and garnish with chopped fresh cilantro. Enjoy your delicious creamy coconut curry with tofu and vegetables. Note: you can use any vegetables you like in this curry, so feel free to experiment with different combinations. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website www.medukatives.com. You may like our free ebooks and medical and health educational products on our website. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing, sharing, liking, commenting, and pressing the bell icon to receive notifications for more content like this. Lastly, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.